Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a rewind of my August month in my B6 planner. These are my Justania Printables inserts, and this kit is for my newest addiction as per usual. So we're just gonna get started and do all of the basic stuff, and then I'll come back and talk about my month. So here we go. I wonder if I need to white out this side here. I might, just in case, because this paper or this pattern is kind of light this month. Some of them I don't need to, but because it's like a peachy pink, it just makes me a little nervous. But I do this along the side. Okay, so there is the month setup. I typically run Simply Gilded Washi in this section, or like if I flip it and put it below, but I'll figure that out later. I haven't picked one out yet, so we'll see what that ends up being. But then I put all my date numbers down, and we will get started from here. So I typically just look at my whole month like as I go, because it's not pre-planning, so I can just go in order. So the first was, let's see. I had new teacher orientation. I don't mark my bills in this planner. And picture day, and I had to decide, well, picture day for the students, which I don't think I'm going to mark. And then I had to have my lease decision for this coming year, or this coming year. I had to have my mind made up about whether or not I was going to extend through October or not. So that will be for my orientation. And then I think I'll put the little house for my lease decision. That's required. I don't think I have any holidays. Back to school, because we went back to school. Well, I guess we can do that one, because I can do it for the kids instead of for me. Eek, eek, no, stop. Okay, hopefully this still sticks. It was a little too long. You guys can't see anything. It was a little too long and was running into my date number. Okay. Let's see. Memories, next month, this month, happy birthday. So I do have a birthday on the 22nd. Again, I think this is too long. So we'll put it at the bottom. Happy birthday to my former coworker. Okay, anyways, back to this. So my lease decision and new teacher orientation. Wednesday, the second was a work day. So I think I'll just use the bow clip. Actually, I don't know that I even will. We'll see if I have anything left at the end. If I have stuff left at the end, we'll use it. Okay. Then on Saturday, I saw my friend Monique. This is also the day that Dave stood me up. We had talked on Monday and Wednesday. We made plans for Saturday, and between Wednesday and Saturday, he did not talk to me again. So, yeah. There's that for you. I don't know what to mark that with. Maybe just the asterisk. Okay. And then I did see my friend that morning. We went to lunch and we went shopping, and then I rushed home because I thought I had a date. And yeah, that was real fun. Real fun. Sarcasm, if you couldn't tell. Okay, on the 5th, we had professional development. And on the 6th, we had staff pictures. All right, so the 5th was a PD day. We had a lot of trainings. And then the 6th was picture day. The 7th was new student orientation. And then the 8th was back to school, which I already have marked. And then the 21st was family night, which is what I'm going to put down here. All these like big work event things. So what else? We had PD. We also had a work event this day. Do I have anything there? Maybe I'll write celebrate. So we had like I don't know. They like rented a room in a golf course, and like we played, what is it called? Cornhole. And there was like drinks and appetizers and stuff like that. So we just chilled out. But otherwise, work day, staff pictures, and then the work event. New student orientation. And then this was the first day for everybody. And then we had a welcome assembly this day. So I think I'll put a balloon. We were like introduced and all this nonsense. And then on the 10th, I went to see Lion King with Abe, if you all remember him. We're not like a thing again, but he came over and helped me put my chair together, my like computer chair, because I couldn't get it on my own. And then we went to dinner and a movie and just, yeah. So I don't know, you guys. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what you want me to say. Okay. Let's see. I had Pilates. Oh, I had Hungry Root delivered this day. So I think I'm just going to use some of these bows. So I had a Hungry Root on the 7th, and then I had a Hungry Root on the 14th. And then I had a Hungry Root on the 21st. And then I was like, why am I getting so much food? Because I should have canceled one of those. But apparently I forgot to. So there's that. Okay. Rose Colored Days came out with her sub on the 10th also. And I picked it up. It came on the 16th. But I don't know that I need to mark that. Let's see. Got my period on the 18th. That was awful. It's still awful. And I don't know how to mark that. I think we'll just use the bow clip. Just something to note. Okay, then on the 19th, I toured 2 apartments. I don't know that I want to mark all of those, though. Like, with an icon. I can write them in. The 20th was payday. We have flags for that. And that was my first payday for my new job, which was very interesting. Let's see. The 21st was family night, like I said. And I think I'm just going to put this heart because this is, like, more solid. And it'll cover up that ripped corner. Okay. 22nd was my friend's birthday. 23rd was happy hour at work, but again, I went and toured apartments. I toured apartments on the 24th as well. I have 2 apartment tours scheduled for the 26th. I have a bill due. The rest of these days are pretty like, they're just work. And then I need to figure out how I'm going to mark Pilates. I have these scripts that I think I'm going to use. I made these myself and they're not like the best printing quality, but I feel like it's fine. Okay guys, I'm back. I used two different foiled washies from Simply Gilded. This is a 5mm like bluish green vine washi from the most recent sub, which is the like cozy cabin or something like that, the August box. And then this is from the peach box. This one has hot gold and that one has regular gold foil, but I think it's okay because it's just the script. But you can see the twinkle over here. But this says like peachy keen, keep on keeping on, life's a peach, and then pretty as a peach. And I think that peach went really well, but I wanted something to contrast, and this pulls out these like greenish blue tones so well. Normally I don't fill that space quite so much, like I leave a little white space, but I think it's really pretty. I maybe need to white out these little, it looks like I didn't quite get my washi where it's supposed to be. But I think it's really gorgeous, and I had to actually open the peach washi because I hadn't opened that yet. So this is pretty. I didn't really like want to pull in that color, but I'm glad I pulled in more of the like deeper peachy coral colors. So look at all this twinkle. Oh my gosh, so good. Okay, so that is my August rewind for the month, and my kit using My Newest Addiction. Again, at the end of the year I will flip through all of my Newest Addiction spreads, which is going to be so pretty, as well as my entire B6 planner, minus showing you my journaling pages, just because those are private. But yeah, let me know how your August was, and if anything else happens this last week, obviously I'll update it on my own, but I don't see anything besides touring apartments and working, so we're just gonna go with this. Anyways, that is it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye!